So, good afternoon, my dear student. Once again, we are here to run the class 9 subject compulsory mathematics, and today is the day 8. And yesterday, in the previous classes, we have discussed about the addition law. Now we are in the exponential equation. Look at exponential equation. If the unknown quantity, this is the definition how we define the exponential equation. If the unknown quantity in any equation, that means in an equation, if the unknown quantity appears as an exponent, that means in the form of the power, yes, then such an equation is called an exponential equation. I have written here example. Look at 9 power x equals to 3 power x plus 2. That is what? This unknown quantity. X is an unknown quantity over here, and we have written in the form of the exponent. That means what? In the form of the power. And other example we can write like 4 power x equals to 4 power x plus 2 also this way. That means what? In the form of the power. If the unknown quantity is in the form of the power, then we can say it as the exponential equation, and we can solve them also, and we are going to find the value of the unknown quantity from these types of the equation. Yes, and as in the indices, yes, we have the certain law are there. Similarly, in the exponential equation also we have the 3 law here, which we are going to discuss there. Now, first number, if a power x equals to a power y, that means what? If the base are same and in between them there is the equal to sign, then x equals to y. Then x equals to y, we can write that. That is the first law. Similarly, in the second law, it is said that if a power x equals to b power x, a power x equals to b power x, that means what? In both the side, the power is same. If the power is same, then we can write the base equal, a equals to b. This is the second law. Yes. Similarly, if a power x equals to b power x, b power y, that means neither base is same nor power is same, then this a can be expressed as a equals to b power y upon x. The power of a divides the power of y when the power comes to next side then. Yes, this is the third law. So on the basis of this, we are going to do the certain, that is example. Yes, certain for this I will just write the certain example for this law at first, then only I have written the 3 questions and we will solve them on the basis of this law. Yes, so at first, if how this came as example of the law at first, I will write that. Look at example. Yes, in first number like this. If 3 power x equals to 3 power 2, that means 3 square is there, then on the basis of the first value, base is same and power are different, then both the power are equal or not. Similarly here also, if 3 power x equals to 3 square, then x equals to 2, we can write this is, and this is the unknown quantity, and we find the value from here and there. So this is the type of the what? Exponential equation, and we get the unknown quantity. The value of unknown quantity is 2 over here. Yes. Similarly for the second one, that means what? Base are different and power is same. If it is given like that, 3 power x equals to y power x, like this. Yes, that means what? Look that power is same, or we can write like this: 3 square equals to y square is there. Yes, if this is, then the power is same, then we can write, then y equals to 3, we can write this. That means this y is the unknown quantity, and we find the value of y. Yes or no? Similarly, for the third one, if we have like this: if a square equals to b power 4 is there, yes, then we can write a equals to b power 4 by 2. That means what? 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4. We can write what? A equals to B square. We can write like this, no? Yes, in the form of this, A can be written in the form of the B. And this application, that means what? These three laws are useful while doing our exercise for the exponential equation. And I have written the three questions over here. Look that in the whiteboard. First number, second number, and third number. And this first and second, this question they asked in the exam point of the view for the 1 marks question. Yes, but we get little bit confused. That's why I have written the 1 marks question also, and this types of the question will ask in the 2 marks. No? So let's do the 1 and 2 at first. Yes, 1 and 2 question at first, and it is given there. And we are going to do that 1 and 2 on the basis of this exponential term. Yes, and this third also. Now for the first number, we are going to do the solution for the first, and it is given there. Look that what value of n makes nth root. This n is the order of the root x power 6 and x square are equal. That means what? If these two terms are equal, then what will be the value of this n? No, it is said, and we are going to find the value of n. Yes, so it is given that from question. From question, nth root x power 6 equals to x square. It is said, yes or not? And already now in this also we are using the indices law also. Now look that if nth root is there, x power m is there, then in indices we write like this, and this order divides the power of x power m upon n. Yes or not? And here we are going to do that. That means we are going to apply the indices in the first diagram. So we can write x power 6 upon n equals to x square. This is now look that base is same and power are different. That means what? First law, it is said that if base is same and power are different, then we can equate the power. That means we can write what? 6 upon n equals to x square. We can write this is from the first law. Yes, now this n is in the divide, this side, then we multiply. 6 equals to 2 into n. Yes or not? And this 2 is multiplied, this side, then it divides. 6 by 2 equals to n. Yes, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. Therefore n equals to 3, and this is our answer. No? Yes, and lastly we will write, therefore the value of n is 3. We are going to write like this. That means conclusion. Now if we put, in order to check the answer, our answer is wrong, right? Let's put that means 3 in place of n. No? If you write, then cube root will be here, and 6, x power 6 is there. And in cube root, out of 3 we take out 1 as or not in cube root, and here power 6, that means we divide 6 with 3, then we get 2. That means it satisfies. Yes or no? So our answer, what we have found, the value of n is 3. That is the true one. Yes, and in this way, and we do the question number first, and this type of question in the exam point of view, in the SE also, no? This type of the question asks for 1 marks. So don't get confused. That means we are going to apply the exponential term in the first time. Yes. Now we are going to do the second number question, and this type also question. Second type of the question also asks most of the time. No, in SE. Now it is given that if a power m into a power n whole divided by a power p equals to a power x, then express x, this x, in term of m, n and p. Yes, now we have a power m into a power n whole divided by a power p equals to a power x. This is the given. Now first of all we use the indices now. Yes, now here it is the multiply. If base is same, I multiply sign is there, then we add the power or not? Yes, so let's add the power. A power m plus n divided by a power p equals to a power x. This is, yes. Now again the base is same, and in the form of the divide then we subtract the power. This is our law. So we write what? A power m plus n minus p will be there. Yes or no? And equals to a power x. Now it is in the form of the exponential law or not? Base is same, that means base is same. First law we are going to apply. Then we can write the power are equal or not? So we can write m plus n minus p equals to x. This is a law. And it is said that then express x in term of m, n and p. That means the value of x in term of m, n and p. This is the required answer. No? So we can write therefore x equals to m plus n minus p. This is our required answer. Yes, this is. And this type of question it asks in 1 marks. No, which important type of the question this is. Yes, and if it is said that sometimes the question may ask like this. The question is same, and then express p in term of m, n and x. It might ask. So we will do the same, but we are going to find the value of p. So p will be here. That means bring this side and this x that side. Yes, we can write that. Whatever is there, according to that question, we are going to find the answer. Yes, so don't get confused on that. Now for the third number, then. This is a simple also. Yes, yes or no? 1 and 2, these are 1 marks question, and which important also for the exam point of view, and SE exam also this type of the question asks. Now in third number, look that in third number it is given that, yes, we have given 3 power x plus 1 plus 3 power x equals to 108. This is, yes or no? Now first of all we apply the indices law. That means what? 3 power x plus 1 is there. Now we are going to split this side first, as a power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. This or not? So now we are going to break on the basis of this. So let's break that. 3 power x into 3 power 1 plus 3 power x as usual equals to 108. That is or not? Now look here. 3 power x is here, 3 power x is here. So we can take 3 power x as a common. So 3 power x as a common, and remember if we take out 3 power x from here, we get 3 power 1 and 3 power 1 means that is 3 only, and plus sign is here plus. And now look here, 3 power x is here and other nothing. That means none of the term is there. That means if nothing term is there, that we have 1. We have to think that. So if we take out 3 power x as a common, then nothing term, that means we get 1 equals to 108. This is another. Now then 3 power x, this is into 3 plus 1 we get 4 equals to 108. This is, now this 4 is multiplied over here, and this side then it divides. So we get what? 3 power x equals to 108. We divide by 4. So we get what? Now let's divide that. 3 power x equals to 108 divided by 4 is what? Let's divide that. 4 at first. I will say here as 108 divided by 4 here. 4 2 is 8. Carry 2 and 8 28. 4 7 is 28. We get what? 27. 4 1s are 4. 4 27. That is another. So we get what? 3 power x equals to 27. This is, yes. Now then 3 power. Now write this 27 in the form of, now what is given there at first we have to do. 3 power x is there, so 27 must be written in the form of 3. Yes, let's take that. We can write that on 27 is with the 3. 9 3s are 27, 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. We get what? 3 3s are there. That is what we can write. 3 power x equals to 3 cube. That means 27 can be written in the form of 3 of that. We can write like this. And if the base is same, now look that if the base is same, then we can equate the power on it. Therefore, x equals to 3. This is our answer. Yes, we can write. And lastly, we have to write that. Therefore, the value of x is 3. We are going to write this. And this types of the question, they ask for the 2 marks in the exam point of view. Yes. So this exponential equation, I have described the definition at first, and then 3 laws, and we have discussed that, and then 3 examples we have done this. Yes. So for this, that means for this class, we have done up to this only, and next remaining, that means 2 marks question also, certain 2 marks, and then 4 marks question also we will discuss in the next class. Thank you for this one.